Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics that actually affect image quality. Check HDMI or display port connections and swap the cable if you see artifacts. Then open your display settings and set the native resolution and refresh rate. This prevents scaling blur and stuttering. Once done, power cycle both monitor and GPU to clear transient glitches, and look for monitor firmware updates or a factory reset. These can fix persistent panel behavior without further troubleshooting. Next, you refine the image through calibration so colors and tone are accurate. Use the monitor OSD to set brightness, contrast, black level, and color temperature. These change perceived sharpness and shadow detail. Then run a calibration target or free software to tweak gamma and RGB gains, because tiny adjustments yield cleaner highlights and truer skin tones. Make sure to enable or disable features like overdrive, dynamic contrast, and adaptive sync based on whether you prioritize motion clarity or color fidelity. Finally, you confirm whether the problem is the monitor or something else. Plug the display into another PC or GPU to isolate hardware. If issues follow the screen, inspect for backlight bleed or stuck pixels and try pixel fix routines. If severe, use warranty service. If color banding, flicker, or scaling remains, reinstall or roll back GPU drivers and test different refresh rates and cable types. If nothing improves, prepare for an RMA and document your troubleshooting steps to speed the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.